Imagine holding a professional photography studio in the palm of your hand. The HUAWEI Pura 80 series has officially landed in South Africa, combining stunning design, cutting-edge camera technology, and exceptional performance into a device that feels more like a professional tool than a typical smartphone. This isn't just a phone, it's an experience that begins the moment you pick it up. The smooth curves, the perfect weight, and the silk-like frame that catches the light with a subtle shimmer. It's a tactile expression of elegance. The HUAWEI Pura 80 series is designed to be both seen and felt. The monochrome glaze-inspired finish offers a calming, almost meditative quality, while the glazed red model is a bold, confident, and luminous burgundy with sunburst detailing that shimmers like jewelry. This design doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Whether you're capturing a fleeting sunset or taking a call, it becomes an extension of your personal style, graceful, considered, and uncompromising. But here's where it gets controversial. The HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro is the only non-ultra smartphone on the market to feature a 1-inch ultra-lighting camera sensor. This delivers astonishing light intake and clarity, setting a new standard for smartphone photography, day or night. Peter Feng, CEO CBG at HUAWEI Technologies South Africa, boldly states, "With the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, we've put a professional photography studio in your pocket. It's for anyone who values exquisite design and demands the best in imaging, whether you're shooting city lights at midnight or portraits in vibrant low light." Designed to turn heads, the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro isn't just a powerhouse in photography, it's a design statement. Drawing inspiration from timeless ceramic glazes and classic Italian jewelry, its silk-textured frame and monochrome glaze finish elevate the device to a wearable art form. The glazed red model takes things further with a sunburst design, a visual nod to fine watches and radiant light. It's a phone that feels as refined as it performs. The 6.8-inch HUAWEI X True display offers adaptive refresh rates from 1 to 120 Hz. With ultra-responsive 300 Hz touch sampling and 1440 Hz PWM dimming for comfortable all-day viewing. Whether you're editing photos, streaming, or scrolling, the visuals are brilliant, even in direct sunlight, thanks to its 3000 nit peak brightness. These phones are bold, exciting, and comfortable to hold, elevating them from being a simple phone to being an extension of the self. At the heart of the device is the 50MP ultra-lighting camera, which uses a 1-inch RYYB sensor and a variable aperture ranging from f1.6 to f4.0 across 10 stops. This configuration allows for exceptional depth and exposure control, delivering richly detailed images even in the most challenging environments, whether you're capturing portraits in low light or bright skies behind your subject. And this is the part most people miss. Complementing the main camera is a 48-megapixel ultra-lighting macro telephoto lens and a 40-megapixel ultra-wide lens, offering impressive flexibility across focal lengths. Paired with HUAWEI's Ultra Chroma camera, color accuracy is elevated to a new level, making every shot pop with natural tones and expressive contrast. In scenes where lighting is complex, like bustling night markets or glowing street signs, the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro's Super Night mode ensures nothing is lost. Highlights retain detail, shadows stay sharp, and your photos tell the full story. Combined with DSLR-level features like a physical aperture and pro-grade sensor size, the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro turns even casual photography into an art form. For those using the HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, cinema-grade 16 EV dynamic range and a switchable dual telephoto lens deliver extraordinary clarity and balance, even at high zoom or in scenes with dramatic light and shadow. Running on EMUI 15, the HUAWEI Pura 80 series offers a smart and fluid user experience. AI messaging keeps your notifications private, AI gesture controls enable hands-free navigation, and the Smart Control button puts custom shortcuts and fingerprint security at your fingertips. A large 5,170 mAh battery powers the day, supported by 100-watt HUAWEI Supercharge for rapid wired charging, and 80-watt wireless supercharge for convenience. With IP68 and IP69 ratings, the device is also built to handle dust, water, and high-pressure sprays, making it as durable as it is beautiful. Available now in South Africa. Whether you're a content creator, photography enthusiast, or someone who simply wants the best from their phone, the HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro delivers professional-grade imaging with style, intelligence, and staying power. This is the world's most comfortable studio in your pocket, ready whenever inspiration strikes. The HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro is now available in South Africa through all retail partners, starting from 889 WARs over 36 months, and receive a free HUAWEI Nova Y72S plus additional gifts, all valued at 9,395 Rand. TCs apply. Prefer to buy it outright? Visit the HUAWEI online store or HUAWEI experience stores and get yours for 24,999 and enjoy a complimentary HUAWEI Nova Y72 plus additional gifts, all valued at 9,395 Rand. TCs apply. This post and content are sponsored, written, and produced by HUAWEI. POBA doubleclick.gampad/gampad/ID =70572423IU.